gonna start with 1/3 of a cup of just regular tap water, half a cup of just regular vegetable oil. Once that's on our egg, we're just gonna give it a nice crack. Then we're getting a box of this dark chocolate fudge. Just give this a really good mix. Set this aside. These double nutty Nutter Butters. We got 1 cookie left, so that's for you, camera dude. I love Toll House chocolate chip. Take your ice cream scoop and we're gonna put the whole tub right in here. Bringing that brownie mix that we made earlier over to the top. Reese's, they're coming up with like all these new flavors. So these caramel big cups, and just stick them right inside. Reese's Pieces. Do you say Reese's or Reese's? Last up are these honey roasted peanuts. That gets scattered right on top as well. It's gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Look at how this turned out. Caramel syrup on top. Oh, look at that. So many layers of goodness, I can't even. Extra creamy whipped cream. I think this is gonna be amazing. Oh yeah.